Welcome to this video from Doctor Lock. So this is actually the top capping. Customers asked me to put a lock on this gate here. This is the normal RHS that you normally get. These are the covers. So we've had to cut inside there, but now the guy can use the lock. So very tight gap. It's locked. Locked. And then unlocked. These come in two different types of locks. Like they're very similar, but they are different. This one is the smaller key, and the normal house key is the better one to get. So just from this side here, we can lock and unlock from there. So you can just lift it up and move it. If you want, you can lock it from that side too, which will lock this catch. Alright, thanks for watching.